Live from the booth.
Live and direct.
We got Microsoft want to wake up. Fuck you.
Please do. I needed to. Hey, please, Microsoft, do
Fuck
something.
you,
Get up to
Microsoft.
415 today. Follow the market. Microsoft should be at 415 today. I don't care.
Yes, shit.
It should touch 415 today.
Alright, I'm going on a risky trade right here.
What
So,
risk move you made? What you
what we
My
doing?
doing?
last my last
Turn me
thirty
up.
dollars.
Turn me up. What we doing?
What you call it? I'm going for this. It's gonna be a new company. I never heard of this before.
Oh
Oh
shit.
no.
Oh no.
Numa Operation. They deal with like gold and stuff like that and silver. I think it is a company. I think they. I don't know if they mine this shit.
Hmm.
I think it. Oh, it says is engage and exploration of acquisition of gold properties containing copper, silver, lead, zinc, and other metals. It operates through the following geographical segment: Africa, Australia, Latin America, and the Caribbean. So I know they have to deal with gold and shit like that. So I'm gonna do a $48 call right here because I looked at
What's the volume? Do they got any volume in them?
the volume.
Yeah, don't trade it if it don't got no real volume in it. Cause
It
it could
got
be
4,700.
could be hard to trade. It could be hard to sell the contract.
Ooh, we 4,700.
Yeah,
Total and total
volume.
volume.
That's pretty low.
Yeah, that's mad low. I mean, nobody
I
really
mean,
trading it.
it may not be liquid enough for you to get in and out. Is what you're trying to say?
Yeah.
Maybe hard to
Mm,
get out. Possibly. You have
I'm
to
not even.
goddamn go above the axe type shit to get your feel for real. Like if you up $150, you might have to damn near try to take like 120 or something
Now
just
these
to
are
get
cheap
your feel.
contracts though, cause I usually look for like cheap contracts when like my buying power is low. Like I had like $30 left. So what I did was I bought two contracts for $15, so $48 call.
Well, you might as well
And
got
right
some
now
Q
it's low.
zero days with
Yeah.
that, man.
Nah, them shit gonna move.
You
I'm
should have got
telling you.
some Q 0 days with a move for you right now, man. And we know the Q's well. I'm always against trading companies that you have no history or pattern recognition on, and it's like a brand new name. I'm always against trading that unless you watch them for a little while and then you're like, okay, I like how they move. Let me jump in on this company here. Outside of that, if you're gonna do it, then you know it's just a pure gamble play. If you're gonna do it that way, but something like that, even if you wanted a small contract, I would be like 0 day Qs would still high risk to me. But if you just wanted to put it somewhere, that would be more so where I would like put it towards something like that or a company that you follow or that you trade often. But those joints right there, that's gonna be a pure gamble. You ain't gonna know what's about to happen. So, but let's see. Let's see how it pans out. Hope you make some money, man. That's all that matters.
Yeah, we gonna see, boy.
Ooh, look at the Qs. Let's go. Triple Qs jumping, jumping, jumping.
Oh, I guess somebody had to take that Apple call, boy. Hold on. That boy said appreciate that Apple call.
Huh, let's go.
Who? Spilling activities. Yeah, he be watching. He definitely be following. He made more money on me than he made more money than I did on Thames.
Right
Where is
here.
the what
Mm-hmm.
channel y'all poking in? Oh, let me post my I'll
My
post my price, my
stock
call out chart
crypto
in there.
forex channel.
I'll
Yeah, I
post.
gotta definitely get back on it with that. Putting the earnest calendar and economic calendar in there every Sunday like I used to. Yeah, Amazon 34%. Man, I ain't take it, but good shit.
Q's is pushing. Let's go, Nvidia and the Q's. We are moving, y'all. All right, let's get the TikTok stream
Keep on
started.
pushing.
I'm gonna get this TikTok stream started, but let's look at the profits really quick. What the fuck? As soon as I turn on TikTok, all I hear is ratchetness coming on my phone. Chill out.
Face ass.
That was crazy.
That's what they want you to view, boy. Right. They go Amazon. Let's go get your ass up there, baby.
You get that 240 yet on Amazon?
Nah, not yet. No, you talking about the 230? The 230, it's on 230 right now. 230, 13. Cause I got the 230.
Oh, I'm sorry, 230. Yeah, 230. Okay. Yeah, the next level is 235 on Amazon. So if Amazon get a nice push, that could be a nice push for y'all. But look for the resistance that it's going to hit because it's consolidated every time it got up to 232. So I would definitely be out by 232.
All right. Shit, I got $2 move. I'm up 35%.
All right. Put this right here. And we're going to go live.
Yep, Amazon 40%.
If I turn this joint sideways, might be better. Catch more of the screen. Amazon, how much you said?
40%, sir.
40%? That's what I like to hear. Profits on profits. Collect the profits. Let me turn my joint this way. Alright, that should work. Oh, come on now. Stand this thing up. Let's make sure they could see everything that needs to be seen. I think that should be good right there. Yeah, that's good right there.
I know we're tripping, bro.
We live, we live, we live.
The fuck did it disconnect?
Apple calls, we have 50% on the Apple calls.
Let's go.
We have 38% on Coinbase calls. Microsoft is trying to climb its way back out the slums. The triple Q calls, we have 50%. I'm about to close those out. I'm not going to lie. I'm about to take my profit on that. The triple Qs, I'm about to take my profit on that, fellas. We hit 534.50. I'm not gonna lie, my next level is at 537. Let's look back on the daily chart though, and let's see if we come across any more possible resistance, earlier resistance on the Qs before that. But I really, maybe at 535. Okay, so I'll hold to 535. But at 535, gotta go. Then 536.80 would have been the next spot. Let me put this down. So anybody that's in the Discord community should have caught the Q call out. You should have caught the triple Qs. The entry on that was at 530. 530.50 was the entry on that price chart. So that's what we're watching today, along with Microsoft. Microsoft back at 410. There we go, Microsoft. That's the green candlestick I was looking for. There we go. Microsoft finally got a nice push to 410. This 410 price level we got on it.
95% on Apple.
95% return on Apple. Come on, man. 239. We almost there. We almost at the 240, y'all. Come on. We almost to the promised land here.
Come on, Brian.
Come on, Brian. What you up over there? What you looking like, man? What you turn your 70 into? What percentage you at right now?
What? It said I'm only up a couple dollars, bro. I'm only up like what? Oh no, I'm up 52%.
I was gonna say, don't look at the dollars, percent, bro. You only put in a small amount of dollars. Focus on the percentages only.
Nah, I was looking at the wrong thing. My bad. Yeah, I'm actually up 54%.
Hey, okay, look at you, my boy. That's what I like to hear over there making money. That was 64%. Okay, that's on the Apple move. So Apple, like I said, we're gonna try to ride the Apple wave out to 239, 240. Then we're gonna get up out of there once this alert triggers. But make sure your price alerts are always set. I got the alert set right here. How's it? Wait, is there a quick way to?
Well, now, boy, Apple been paying me all week, boy.
Apple has been paying beautifully all week. Let me flip my camera. There we go. All right, let's look at it this way. Let's bring it up. Let's bring it up. Sideways like a mug. Okay, there we go. Yes, Apple has been paying beautifully this week. Everybody on the TikTok, welcome to the live stream. Everybody on YouTube that's joining us and Twitter, make sure you catch some of these trades with us. I mean, we've been in some moves already, but if you're looking for something, I think right now you could still catch opportunity on the Qs to 537, but it's high risk now, of course. Let's look at some news. Let's see what's happening in the news right now. But in the meantime, let me go ahead and sell.
Oh man, hold on, let me get this phone call.
Some of these. Let me watch the Qs because the Qs is my heaviest position right now.
Come on, Apple, keep pushing. We at 80%.
Yeah, the Qs is definitely one of my heavier positions right now. Hey, ACHR, Archer Aviation is starting to push for me today. I know that I was on the call out, long-term call out I put in like 2 weeks ago, and I entered them. I got those 2026 calls on Archer Aviation, ACHR. If you want to find Archer Aviation, look that up, ACHR. It's back a little bit, right about there. I ain't been on TikTok live in a minute. What's good, cuz? There's my cousin in here. So yeah, ACHR, we up 15% on them right now. We got 22% on Coinbase. And 45% on the SPY, 67% on Apple. What time is it? We got 10:48, 11 o'clock, candlestick getting ready to come. Let's watch this 15. Got 10 more minutes left on this 15-minute candlestick. I think for the Qs, I'm getting ready to take my profit here and then just ride the wave with Apple the rest of the way. Can't be mad with a 42% gain. Let me see something. I'm still mad Robinhood doesn't allow you to do trailing stops. Like, that's so annoying to me. It's just the simplest feature, and it's like, why don't y'all allow trailing stop losses? I don't want to do a stop market loss. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. I'm gonna do a. All right, we'll do a stop market order at 380. 380 per contract, because I got the contracts for like 200. Now they were 380. gonna keep an eye on it. Let's keep a quick eye on it. Keep
They're swapping these fucking trailers up. That should be done by 11.
So we still got 50+% on Apple. Of course, it's gonna reject when it gets close to the resistance levels that we charted out. We charted out some resistance on Apple, and they're like 240. So we want to see. We got 8 minutes left on this 15-minute candlestick. Let's look at the hourly and see how momentum looks. We got pretty strong momentum on the hourly candlestick. We got 2 million buys on the triple Q right now to 1 million sell. So we're sitting pretty strong there. And this hourly candlestick closes in 9 minutes. So we got an hourly candlestick close coming up along with a 30-minute candlestick close. Let's talk about some news really quick. PPI came in a little bit higher than expected, but it didn't come in nearly as high as CPI came in yesterday. CPI came in real hot. They was expecting like 0.2, came in at 0.5, so it was almost double what the inflation expectation was for consumers. Then you have producer price index, which lets you know how much producers are paying for their products and goods. And if that was higher than expected, then that means inflation is hitting the producers heavier than we expected. It came in slightly higher, like I said, but not much higher. So inflation is still a big worry. We gotta keep the foot on the pedal. They're not going to be cutting rates anytime soon, so I don't think anybody should be expecting a rate cut, especially with inflation doing what it's doing. Let's look at Elon Musk said he will withdraw his OpenAI bid if ChatGPT stays a nonprofit. Yo, this guy
Smart man.
This guy trying to force him to remain a nonprofit. He said, if I can't be in there, I'm going to make y'all stay what I wanted it to be. I want it to be a nonprofit. I'm not going to make money off of this. We don't want y'all making no real money. Let's see what other news we had come out. Reciprocal tariff news conference set for 1 p.m. today. Oh shit, we got a reciprocal tariff news conference at 1 p.m. So,
yeah,
I want to be out of my positions by 1 p.m. for sure. And this is why it's important to read the news, because you gotta know what's up there.
Nigga ain't do that, boy. But it came back from lunch and been sick trying to jump in the tree.
Dude, it came back from eating your sandwich, your little lasagna. You would have been throwing it right back up, because the market would be going all over the place if Trump says something crazy. Goodness gracious. All right, so yeah, be careful with the trades going into 1 o'clock. I honestly would be looking to be out of my trades by 12 to play it safe. So we got 1 more hour left in the market. We already got some decent profits. Let's just keep our eye on this like 15-minute close. Like I said, we got 5 minutes left. I really want to close my Q position. I just want to see if we're going to get this pushed to 535 so I can take my profit there.
Where is it now?
It's at 534. So $1 more. If I get 535, I'm gone. I'm out of here. Everybody on TikTok, visit the TikTok shop. Get you some Culture Shock merchandise from the land of Culture Shock. Make sure you share the space too. Who's in here? Let me share this. Let me let everybody know.
$105% on Apple.
How much?
105.
105?
Yes, sir.
I must be right behind you then. Hold on. Let me look at Apple really quick. 77. Okay, we right there.
We're almost there, boy.
Me right there. What's going on? Why the Q's rejecting them? Why the Q's struggling so much? What's happening right now? Microsoft has
that's what I'm actually still waiting on. I'm waiting on that pullback still. You about to get them before we go up to 535.
Microsoft went all the way to 410.50 and rejected immediately off my level. Let me show y'all the power levels. I'll pull my level up.
That's why I ain't looking at them bums this week, man.
Don't even bother looking at them right now, but the power levels, I'm going to show you right here.
Tim about to be $85.
Who?
Tim about to be $85.
Oh, they touched that earlier
I took
already.
it off my watch list.
So,
I took it off my watch list. Tim's and him's off my watch list.
if you see
that 135 on Nvidia.
Right here is where I have my resistance for Microsoft 410.50 line. Look, we shot right up to it. Boom, reject right back down. But we should hold this support at 409, and we should bounce back up as long as the rest of the market's holding strength. We should be bouncing back up with the market. The main thing I'm looking for this triple Q's right here. We want to see this price get to 535. 535 is the magic number. We already got some nice profits on Apple, Nvidia. Actually, I gotta check my Nvidia position. Holy shit. Let's check Nvidia. This is not the position. This is not the page. Hold on. Boom, 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 boom.
Let me see something.
Hold on, cause I got me an Nvidia call, man. That should be up very nice right now.
Yeah, they at 136.
Yes, sir.
I had a 135. I had 135 Nvidia calls yesterday, bro.
We need Nvidia to touch. Let me see. We need Nvidia to get to this 137.11 level. Then I could be out right there. I might take my profit right here because honestly, we up 160% on Nvidia, boy.
I'd be up out of it.
Yeah, I'm out of here. I gotta go. I got to go.
We're gonna start shaking like that and take profit.
I got to go.
Damn, what's pushing like that? Ooh, Apple, what the fuck?
Let's go, Apple. About to hit that 240. We about to hit the level, y'all. Come on, clap it up for Apple, man. Where the Discord clap at, man? Let me put the Discord clap on for Apple, man.
Damn, boy, I don't know,
soundboard.
80 boy say.
Hey, 80%, my boy.
Alright.
All them eyes get rolled.
There you go. 10 more cents. You should be at 100%, my boy.
That's the Discord clap.
Yeah, it's a Discord clap, man.
Man, that shit sound like a nigga opening a bag of chips.
You know, it says golf clap. It says the golf clap.
Oh, the golf clap? Oh, okay. Thought y'all was over there eating some snacks.
Somebody opening a bag of chips.
Yeah.
Oh man, I ain't got me a trade yet, man. I'm getting FOMO over here. I'm gonna be patient though.
You not in here with us on anything? I'm about to take my profit on the Q's though.
Nothing. I ain't got nothing.
I'm not gonna lie. I'm about to take my profit on the triple Q's, and we're going to be happy with the profit we got there. We're gonna be happy with our 42% on the triple Q position. Can't be mad at that. Hold on real quick for all my people on TikTok. Give me a second. Let me get up out of here. Q's, we gone. I'm out of there. The fuck? Alright.
All right.
Damn, should I exit the Q's right now or should I let this 30-minute close, man? What y'all think?
Let the 30 close.
Let me ask the people, man. Let me ask the people. What y'all think? Should we close out the Q position here? Or should we let the 30-minute candlestick close? I don't know, man.
Let that 30 close.
Let it ride out. We got 28 minutes. That's a long time.
That's a long time, boy.
A lot can happen in
Say that shit you want to.
A lot can happen in 28 minutes. All right, let's not do the 30.
Just downsize or something.
Let's do the 15 minute. Let's watch the 15 very closely. Downsize a contract. Nah, take the bag. My man Cardell said, take the bag. Ah, yeah, you're right. Let me take the bag, man. We're going to take the bag. Let's get up out of there. We're going to take the bag. Let's take the bag. We still in Apple and Nvidia. I'm about to take the Nvidia bag.
Get back in.
You could always get back in. Let me take the bag on Nvidia. Let's collect this bag on Nvidia.
I ain't got my setup yet.
Let me look at the Nvidia chart. Ooh, Nvidia got a nice little bottom wick.
If you're looking for a setup, look at the 120 Alibabas.
Yeah, we're going to take the bag right here, man.
Look the hourly on Alibaba.
My man Cardell, what's good, Empowerment, my guy. We're going to,
That's what I would play. Because only why I say that, because they got to deal with Apple. And that's the talk of this week.
I took the bag on the Qs. We got up out of there. Apple, we have 98%. I'm about to close out Apple too. We have 98% on Apple. Let me see. Apple, we're going to let hit the target. We're going to look for that 240. 240, I'm going to give Apple time. But we have 98% on the Apple calls right now. We're going to look for that 240 level to smack for us. But Nvidia, I want to get out the Nvidia because Nvidia's up crazy. Nvidia. At the 135 calls, boy, we in the money. Can't be mad within the money position. Alright, so we collected. Let me make sure this shit sell. Oh, Weeble added take profit stop loss. I like that.
I'm back. You got some extra eyes again. Yeah, I wasn't jumping in nothing, doing all that, swapping out trailers and shit. I wasn't gonna be able to watch it.
About to get that next leg up on Apple. Let's go.
Video could come down to 134.50. I think I said that earlier. I'm still looking at that same level. Yeah. A lot of room to play with, man. They done took the shit all the way up.
Alright, I think we safe now. I think we good for the goods now, man. We got the order put in for Nvidia, so we safe with Nvidia. Got the trailing stop set up, because, you know, Weeble let you do trailing stop. I'm like, bitch ass Robinhood. Yep, and then video order contract filled. It stopped me out. Beautiful, beautiful. I'll take it. Take my profit. Oh, let me try to get y'all set back up on the stand. All right, we good. I'm gonna get this whole studio set up right.
Man, I wouldn't be surprised coin come down to 277 right now for no reason, boy.
Hold on now. What are you talking about, Willis?
That should be doing some crazy stuff, man.
Hold on, let me pull up the Coinbase chart.
Amazon dipping right now.
Hold on, let me pull up the Coinbase.
Yeah, boy.
Oh, Apple it.
Yeah, get up out of Apple, man. Oh, Apple 200%. Whoa, what's going on here? We hit 240. Oh, we blew past 240. That's why. Okay. We just went from 100% gain to 200% gain on Apple just like that. Ooh, look at
Just
Apple
like
go.
that, nigga.
Let's go.
285. Nigga, let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Alright. That's what I'm
Big
talking
boss
about,
play. Let them know that was a big boss play right there, man. Let them know.
Come on, man.
241.50 is the next resistance. Yo, I'm not gonna lie. I said Apple could get to 244 is a really key level for Apple. That's why I want to see Apple retrace back to is 244. But I don't want to be that greedy, boy. We have 200% already. God damn.
Right, I ain't gonna lie. I'm getting out.
Yeah, Bryce, I'm out. I'm taking my money. I could use that. Shit. Hold on. Brian, give it like 5 more minutes, Brian. Give it 7 more minutes. We got 7 more minutes. 240. If we get above 241.50, you could take your profit, bro. I don't want to blame you.
All right.
But give it 5. You got 7 more minutes on this candlestick. Let's see what the buyers are doing. Did some news just come out? Oh, Apple fact of the day. Apple is hold on, listen to the news real quick. Apple is expanding its TV and streaming services to Android, featuring live sports content like MLS. Oh shit. Apple said we're not going to it's stopping all that exclusive shit. Stopping all that exclusive Apple only bullshit. Share all your shit and change the charger too while you at it, motherfucker.
Yo, that was yesterday news. That was yesterday news. I read about that shit yesterday.
Yeah. That's what's probably calling that big push today. All right, we touched 241.50, Brian. You want to take your profit? You get up out of there now, boy. We touched the level.
All right, I'm out of there. Do I stay or do I go?
Do I stay or do I go? Boy, you better take your profit, boy.
Hold on.
Yeah, take
Apple
your
is
profit.
pushing, but SPY and Qs are not. Microsoft is not. It's just okay. So it's literally just Apple doing this.
Yeah, let me close my Apple position then, man. Let's get up out of Apple.
Yeah, I'm about to say, let me get out of Apple before I just lose all this hype.
Only recent news that Apple got is that they're still working with Baidu, the Chinese company.
Baidu. BID.
Yeah, Baidu. Yeah. That's the only thing. But other than that, there's no other big news besides they're working with the Android people. Those are the only 2 Chinese companies they're working with, trying to make their company better.
Yeah, I think we about to pull back some. I don't think it's gonna go up with Apple. I think it's gonna come down with Apple. Based on what I'm seeing.
All right. Yeah. So we cut. I feel much more comfortable now. We took this profit. Let me go ahead. We got. Damn. Set it back up on the stand.
Still waiting on my pullback.
We got 310%.
You up how much?
310%.
On who?
What is you doing? What are you doing?
You ain't take your profit. I just got up out of there, boy. I just got up out of there. 241.50.
Get up out of there.
I'm waiting for the level 241.50.
Hey, we hit that already.
That.
Yeah, we already touched 241.57. Yeah, Wick boy. All right, yeah, you better start playing with the level. Play with the level if you want.
What you want to close? A body close? You want that body? You want that body up there to close?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm still in Coinbase. Coinbase is bouncing right now. If anybody missed the Coinbase wave,
shit, me.
Yeah, nah, you might still be out.
I'll try.
It's still too late. It might still be too late.
MicroStrategy. I'll try MicroStrategy.
MicroStrategy contracts be stupid expensive too, though. So you gotta be careful with MicroStrategy. You were breaking up some.
Let me see.
Yeah, your phone got choppy. We heard risk to reward though.
Oh, I said MicroStrategy has a better risk to reward down here. I'd rather get in down here than get in with Coinbase, sir.
Okay.
It has a triple bottom down here, actually. 522.50.
Listen, well, I think today's been a good day so far. You know, we cleaned up on Nvidia early. I'm liking Coinbase to 290. If we break 295.90 on Coinbase, then I say 298 will be your take profit. Because I definitely know we're going to see resistance before we get back over 300. So I want to play that 300 rejection on Coinbase. Once it rejects from 300, wherever it rejects down to, I want to grab a call. Because I think the next push up, we're going to push above 300. But you got to keep an eye on Bitcoin and see how Bitcoin moving. If Bitcoin keeps struggling like how it's been, then Coinbase may not break 200 for a little bit. But the Bitcoin, let's look at Bitcoin chart. We had 95,800 on Bitcoin. Yeah, that's the 30 minute. Let's look at the weekly real quick. I like pulling up the weekly chart. I like looking at macro scale. So Bitcoin is in a 1 bar right now in the weekly. To put in a 2 up bar, Bitcoin will have to get back above 102,000. So the level I really will watch for Bitcoin right now is going to be this 98,900. So once we get to 99,000 on Bitcoin, that should be a bullish push following that. So I'll just keep an eye on Coinbase and Bitcoin. Coinbase is doing most of this pushing because they got earnings today. If I'm not after market today, or did they report before market?
Yeah, after hours.
After hours today.
After hours today.
Yeah, so we got Coinbase earnings that could cause them to jump and reclaim. Let's look at them on the weekly real quick.
You ready for a low price for tomorrow?
Let's look at them on the weekly real quick. The key level for Coinbase, if Coinbase starts closing above 310, if we close any month above 310, because we haven't been able to close above 310 since all the way back in December 1st of 2021. So if we close a monthly candlestick above 310, not wick up there, but if we close February higher than 310, oh, we about to push. I got to put a big alert there.
Simply for Coinbase?
Yeah. What you say, Tim?
Phone breaking up again?
Yeah, it's breaking up.
My phone breaking up?
Yeah. It sounds like you're in the woods somewhere.
Yeah, I might need to wait.
Big level right here for Coinbase. One big level. 310.50. Look, free gem for anybody watching the live. You got a big entry for Coinbase. 310.50. If you're going to be patient, wait it out. That's the level that you want to see it get above. Anywhere below that, we could potentially face rejection and chop. But once we close above there.
What about now? You getting me better?
Yeah, you can hear you better now.
A lot better.
A lot better.
I say you don't think MicroStrategy would be a good sympathy play for Coinbase earnings?
MicroStrategy. Let me pull them up on the weekly and see where they're at, actually. We could look at MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy is in a 1 bar as well. So it could be a good sympathy play. Yeah, it definitely would be a good sympathy play. They just had their earnings recently. Yeah, look at I don't look at their contracts. Let's pull up their contracts. Let's see how much their contracts cost.
Let me check on the market.
Let's pull up MicroStrategy. All right, we got MicroStrategy up here.
Yeah,
on
I'm
the
not
screen.
touching shit.
Let's see what these contracts are going for. We got contracts. Nah, that's 1 day strike. I ain't doing no 1 day contract on MicroStrategy. You crazy?
Oh, that is 1 day. Yeah, that is tomorrow.
8 days at least. So with 8 days,
yeah.
I could see a 355 being a decent price. They cost around. And then the prices shot up. Wait, hold on, what's going on? These prices changing so fast. The 350s. They just said like 2 something for the 350s. Now it says 360. Cause I was looking at the 350 contract.
That shit is junk.
That's what I'm looking at. Talking about 350 for next week, right?
Yeah, for MicroStrategy, 350.
Yeah, we're looking at the same exact one.
Let me see. It has good volume on it. A lot of open interest. So if I was gonna go anywhere with a call, it'd probably be in that 350 to 360 range on MicroStrategy. Now let's look at.
They don't look so good today, though. I don't know.
Let's look at their chart. They got a 1 bar going on. I would say, yeah, I'm not gonna lie, because the top wick of resistance on this weekly is at 355. So if you got the 350 calls right now that expire next week, and you get a nice push between now and next week, you'll be in the money.
Yeah, and we keep bottom wicking at this 322.70. You see that on the 30-minute?
Yeah, we
You
got.
see all these bottom wicks on that bullish block?
Yeah, we got good support on MicroStrategy at 319. The 319 level is strong support.
I probably won't. Just the way it's trading.
I'm not gonna lie,
Today's
man. I might
price
take that
is-
risk because we haven't really closed below 319 since we got above it. Since MicroStrategy got above 319 back on, what was this? This is all the way back on November 11th, 2024. That week. Once we got above 319 on that week, we never closed below it again. Except for last week. Last week they had a little close below it, but we bounced right back up now. Now we're at 322. I like that.
Yes, sir. So,
Let me see.
yeah, I see the 315 level. We just been under it. Well, what's that? February 12th? Oh, that was yesterday. That's yesterday. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We got a nice little bounce. Anytime it goes below that, it bounces pretty heavy back up.
The 319?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Wait, I do see it. I had to zoom out. My bad.
You
Okay.
see it on the weekly?
Oh,
At
zoom out.
319. Like, pull up the weekly chart and you'll see it.
I was on a daily and a 4-hour. Okay, hold on.
Yeah, we gotta step back a little bit. Get some more macro.
Look at these gaps.
And we have some gap downs that we didn't. I guess we did refill it with that wick, so I can't say we didn't refill it.
Yeah, no, that was real. That was kind of is a gap fill, but it is a really nice bull pin on a longer time. I see the top wick that you're talking about.
Mm-hmm.
I would probably use that. Let me see something.
Look at the bottom wick of the January 21st week. I'm putting a level there. That's why I got 351.27 from on MicroStrategy.
January 21st.
Oh, yeah.
I see it. So I got a level at 322 flat.
Mm-hmm.
That's a fib level for me on a weekly, 322 flat. And then the range, it seems like anything near 400, it just dies. So that'll probably be the range.
Nah, I'll be out of this shit, boy. If we get in a call this week, I'll be out of a MicroStrategy call by the time we touch 350. I won't be anywhere near 400.
Yeah. Nigga, what?
I'll be gone. I'm going to
That's
be
not like
gone.
if Coinbase pushes them out, Bitcoin and shit.
I just don't like how Bitcoin look right now. Bitcoin looking ugly.
It just makes sense to me.
Bitcoin is looking real
ugly.
See,
MicroStrategy is just price action today is not it. That's the only thing. I don't know where we could. Well, 320 would probably be that level I would look for as the whole. We dumping right now. I seen the head and shoulders on it. This is the right shoulder of the formation plan now. This plan to the downside now.
Okay.
Yeah. Shoulders for sure.
I need Bitcoin to break out of this consolidation it's in on the daily. Bitcoin's in a heavy consolidation on the daily if you look at it.
Oh, yeah. I ain't got to look at it. I've been seeing it every day.
So
I'm already knowing, boy.
We could have a nice breakout coming soon. And Coinbase could be the catalyst for it. Bum, bum, bum. What do we think? Next week on live trading. All right. Well, let me shut down the live streams. Appreciate everybody who came through the live sessions today. Show support. Hope y'all got able to jump in some trades with us. If not, hope you at least got some good price levels you could use going forward into the weekend. Be careful. We got a holiday weekend coming up. And, trading can get a real choppy and funny acting on a holiday weekend, especially going into that Friday. So I don't think I'm going to trade tomorrow. Made some decent money today. Might wrap up the week like that. And be back on here on Monday, y'all. Make sure you follow us.
Don't ruin your guys' Valentine's Day.
Yeah, don't ruin your Valentine's Day trying to trade on Valentine's Day. All right, focus on the flowers. Focus on your girl.
Please let them know that, boy.
It'll ruin your whole
You
mood.
ain't getting no coochie that night, boy.
Yeah, you're gonna be double loss. You ain't gonna get no ass, and you took a loss in the market. It's just gonna be double bad.
You took a loss in the market.
You don't want to take both two L's.
I ain't even trade tomorrow, boy. Yeah, my girl ain't about to fucking chump me off.
Yeah. You already know.
Lost how much?
You lost how much, Dre? You could have spent that on me for Valentine's Day. That's what she gonna say. You could have spent that on the date.
Yeah, that's her translation of what she gonna hear.
Yep.
Yeah, I blew all the Valentine's Day money. That's all she gonna hear.
That's a fact.
Shit.
That's a fact. That's funny. But yeah, everybody, make sure you follow Culture Shock Investments on TikTok, YouTube, Discord. The link for the Discord is in the profile, the link tree. Do some merchandise shopping on the land of culture, and we'll be back on here on Monday. Actually, probably no, Tuesday. We'll be back here on Tuesday doing our live charting session on Monday. But you gotta be in the Discord for the charting session or following us on YouTube. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, Culture Shock Investments on everything. All right.